Stretch your pizza dough by hand, obviously, but don't stress it. And let me show you what I mean. Okay, now here we have two pizza doughs, exactly the same. As you can see, there's no difference between them. But let me show you what I mean when I say don't stress your pizza dough. If we use, let's say, this semolina flour here, as much as we can, and we start stretching our pizza, you will see that it's easily stretching and we have no problems. You can put a little bit more of semolina flour if you need, but just to show you, this is the result. And what I mean when I say don't stress your pizza dough, you will see it next. Now the second pizza dough, watch carefully, we'll use just a little bit of semolina flour and we start stretching. We use just a little bit more because otherwise you can clearly see now the difference. This is what I mean when you stress your pizza dough. Here you see a fine surface on the pizza dough, and on the other side it's the same way, and you cannot even stretch it, and that's because you don't have a lot of semolina flour. This is the only problem that this pizza dough has. Use as more semolina flour that you can and then start to stretch your pizza dough, because otherwise if you don't have enough of semolina flour on your surface, then you will stress your pizza dough. And you can clearly see that this is a dough that has been stressed. You cannot stretch it, and it comes with big, very thin parts like so. And this other one, you can clearly see that has been stretched with a lot of semolina flour and it's near to perfect, and the other one it's not. And I will show you a quick example what happens now if we put them into the oven. I'm gonna show you how quick it will burn on some parts of this pizza, because it's too thin there where it's been stressed. So this is the pizza that's been stressed out, and this is the normal pizza that we tried not to stress it out. You can clearly see the difference. This is the one that we stressed out, and you can see how it got burned on these parts because the dough became too thin. And this is the normal pizza dough that we tried not to stress out. You can see the difference. You can see. So this is our tip of the day on how not to stress your pizza dough, and hopefully your pizza dough won't come out like mine. Try to use as much semolina flour as you need. Don't be afraid, it's never too much semolina flour. I really hope that you're learning something from this, and until the next time from Lo Sbrano, thanks and bye bye.